I bet if you asked 10 people how they make their coleslaw, you'd probably get 10 different answers. That's because there's so many different dressings and things that can be mixed into it. Today, I thought I'd share a Texas-style coleslaw that's big on taste and crunch. For this one, we start by adding equal amounts of white vinegar and vegetable oil to a bowl, along with a bit of lime juice, sugar, cumin, ground red pepper, and a little salt and pepper. We whisk that together and set it aside. Now, after placing a package of coleslaw mix in a large bowl, we add some red and yellow bell pepper that we've chopped, a thinly sliced jalapeno, and a bunch of freshly chopped cilantro. All that's left to do is pour the dressing over the veggies, give it a good mix, and it's ready to serve. And if you've got a bit of time, it's even better if it's chilled. If you're wondering what makes this Texas style, you'll know exactly after one forkful. I mean, it's hard to miss the big Texas flavor mixed in with all those crunchy veggies. To get the recipe for our Texas Slaw, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a big and bold way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.